present to you the coin trick. Yes! That's what this is all about. Use a coin to understand whether your manifestation is in line with your excitement or not. Now, how do you know if you're manifesting correctly? That's what this is all about. I'm gonna explain to you the coin trick in order to see if your manifestation is in line with your heart's greatest desires. How do you know if what you're manifesting is actually in line with the highest good of all, propelling you to your highest excitement and the most optimal timeline versus what's carrying you into that lower manifestation or something that's not in your highest excitement? We're gonna use a coin in order to figure this out. Now, a lot of people, use pendulums. This is a very simple energy technique that I'm going to explain to you in order to help you know if what you're manifesting is what's right for you. Now, your manifestation power is infinite. I want you to know that. You are abundant. You are born with this abundance. Now, we just get caught in the mind, okay? And that's where we're gonna use this right here, a quarter or your favorite coin, in order to really ask your higher self and get in tune with that energy and ask if this is for my highest excitement. Now, here's how this works. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a coin, you're going to visualize that thing that you're manifesting. Let's just use the analogy of your soulmate, right? Oh, I really want my soulmate. You're visualizing, you have this beautiful picture-esque version of your soulmate in your mind's eye. Okay, you take that coin and you say something like this. Heads means this soulmate's going to manifest into my life. Tails means this soulmate is not going to manifest into my life, right? You're giving your energy to the coin, to the universe itself. Are you ready? And we're going to flip. Tails, right? So that means that this is not going to manifest in my life. Now, if you feel disappointed, right, then you know what you were excited about. And if you got the head and you were like, whoa, and you get that excitement, then you know it's for the highest good of all, right? This is a very simple trick that will bring you in alignment, again, with that energy of the highest good of all, which will bring more power to your manifestation process. I'm telling you, the clarity that you get on your path is what's going to propel you into your manifestation. Not this guessing game, not hoping it's going to happen, but the confidence, the excitement, the energy that's going to propel you into this. What that equates to is the speed at which that thing will manifest into your life. So take a coin, put that energy onto it, right? Heads, it's gonna work. Tails, it's not gonna work. Flip the coin and see what happens. Just like that. It's that simple. Now, if you feel that excitement and you're like, yes, I'm getting my soulmate, woo! You follow that excitement. You keep going with that passion, that desire, that heart, that energy. And don't forget, the most important part of this is to practice letting go, right? Now that you've done the exercise, you've given all the energy to the universe, to your higher self. You just flip the coin, you're like, yeah, soulmate, it's gonna happen, woo! And then you're done, right? You toss the coin. That's it. You move on with life, okay? This is just a technique, again, to bring your energy in alignment with the highest good of all, because you just don't know until you know. So let this be your way in order to bring a technique to bring some more clarity on what that desire is within your mind, within your energy field. Again, that passion is going to propel you to it. The more passion, the more excitement, the more energy that you put into this, the greater not only the manifestation process is, but the speed at which you manifest, all right? Now, don't get caught up in expectations, because that will really deplete the power instantly. What I'm telling you again is just let the coin do the magic. Let the coin tell you what is in your highest interest, all right? This is a fun technique. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Try this out a few times. Let me know if it works for you. I would love to know your results. Keep me updated. Until next time, guys, I'm out. Infinite love, infinite peace.